For me, tip number 1 is to have a solid material per subject. One material would be ideal, and then you read and understand it at least 3 times during the review, okay? So you don't have to memorize. I'm not good at memorization, but what I can say is that after at least 2 or 3 rounds of reading a material, I have parang a deep sense of understanding of the subject matter. And it really works because during the bar season, bar review, nakaka-pressure marinig na parang, yung classmate mo or your friend has 3, 4, 5 materials, and then katabi nyo sa library is reading a different one, and then you overhear that, this material is better. Nako, hindi kayo matatapos if you have many materials and then you are being peer pressured for the materials that you will use. Use a material that you were comfortable during your time in law school, okay? Para technically na 1 round, 2 rounds yun na yun during law school.